YouTube feels fair until it doesn't. You upload. You do everything the gurus say. Same niche, same topics. Their videos explode. Yours barely move. Whether you show your face on camera or never appear at all. The problem isn't your work, it's what you can't see. This is OverseerOS, the world's first operating system for YouTube creators. Paste a channel link. In seconds, OverseerOS rips it open and shows you the blueprint. The hooks that hold attention, the titles that drive clicks, the pacing, structure, story, and tone that quietly turn strangers into subscribers. With Creator DNA, OverseerOS learns any creator's voice and lets you write in it. Titles, hooks, full scripts, in the exact style their audience already trusts. While you work, OverseerOS keeps watch, tracking competitors, spotting breakout videos, and turning chaos into a clear content plan. From research to script to publish, every decision is backed by proof, not guessing. OverseerOS, for creators who are done hoping their next video works and ready to build channels designed to win.